Hi everybody, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel. I am here today with an invite. Elsa the Bargain Hunter, she invited me to be a co-host for a Christmas Winter Wonderland DIY collab. So I'm here to invite you guys to join us to do this. It's supposed to be fun. Myself, I'm a fan of Christmas. That's my favorite holiday, and I'm super excited to be doing this with Elsa and with you guys. I hope you get excited enough to say that you want to join in. This is, like I said, a Christmas DIY or a Winter Wonderland DIY, whichever you prefer to do. Could be anything you want. We are planning on doing a giveaway with the DIY that we make. So if you want to do that, you can join in and do that. It's not mandatory. You don't have to do it. If you want to keep your DIY for you, you can also do that. But if you want to turn it into a giveaway, feel free to do that. That's what I'm gonna do with mine. With whatever I make, I'm gonna give it away. So this is supposed to be done on December 8th. It's gonna be a Sunday. So that day we're gonna air the video. I have to ask Elsa what time. Usually it's at noon, but I have to double check with her at what time we're gonna release the video with the DIY and the giveaway. So more details are gonna come soon in regards to that. Usually the collabs, they're all released at the same time. So when you make your video and you upload it, you have to make it private, or not private, but scheduled. And you have to put the date and the time in your YouTube studio. And I did not know this until I recently participated in breast cancer awareness collab, and Tony from Creative Chica Halls, she told me all about and how to do that, because I did not know. She was kind enough to send me a text and walk me through this. So I'm passing that along to you guys. You'll have to schedule your video, but I have to double check with Elsa first to see what time we're releasing it. I think it could be noon, because that's what we usually do, but I'll let you know more when I hear from Elsa. So again, this is being hosted by Elsa the Bargain Hunter, and she's the one that extended the invitation to me, and I gladly accepted. Again, I love Christmas, so mine is going to be probably a Christmas DIY. That wreath you see in the back, I made last year for myself, and I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. It's pretty big. Have another one there. It's a gold with some nutcrackers. But Christmas is my forte. I really like that. So if you want to join in the collab, make sure you comment in the comment section below, and so I write down your name to contact you when the time comes to air this video. Okay, I'm gonna add Elsa's link below in the description box below. And I'm also going to add my email in case you have any questions. Feel free to send me an email. So I'm going to add my email too. Okay, and I can explain more about scheduling the video and all that when you guys contact me. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you get excited enough to join us. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.